Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn Windows shortcut key that will boost your productivity and make navigation super easy. Let's get started. So first shortcut will be if you ever wonder how to use emojis. So just click on window key and the red dot. It will pop up the emojis for you. So you don't need to search it for here. So that's a cool one. That's the first shortcut that will save your time while chatting. So second one is if you want to minimize maximize the thing. So click it's based on the arrow key. Click on window key, left arrow, right arrow, minimize, download. That's how easily you can do it. You can even minimize that thing, even minimize that thing. And if you want to navigate through the different open application, so click on Alt+TAB. Here we are, and you have to maximize this. Press window upward arrow. This is a cool feature that will boost your productivity. The next one is if you want to take a screenshot, you can click on print screen. Now you can take a screenshot, and from here you can save it. And if you want to go to the if you have a multiple tab open and if you want to go to the desktop, click on window key plus T, and if you go to want to go to back to the state, again press window plus T, you will be there. And next one is create a new folder. Now so what you will do, you'll just click on Control Shift N. That's how you can create a new folder. Here's our new, and you can create a subfolder also. Just click Control Shift N, write the name, that's it. And now if you want to rename this thing, click on that tab, press F2, you can rename it like this. And again, if you want to minimize it, Windows is maximize it, tab. Lastly, if you want to choose the app from the this taskbar, this one is quite simple. If you want to open this first, second, third, it's goes like first, second, third. Click, press window and one. It will open the first application. I I click window one, so it opened the Brave browser which was on the first application. So that's it. These were the some tricks or shortcut to make your life easy on Windows. Thanks for watching.